From the market point of view, the current folding mobile phone is undoubtedly the hottest. In recent years, Royal, Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi and other brands have successively launched related folding mobile phones, such as Royal's Flex Pi, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold, Huawei's Mate X, and Xiaomi's Mix Fold. Judging from the folding screen mobile phones released by various companies, there are differences in the hinge technology, product folding form, and product experience. As for the sliding screen mobile phone, it has not yet been mass-produced and launched. But judging from the latest technology released by the domestic panel leader Bold this year, the sliding screen mobile phone is expected to be realized. The sliding screen, as the name suggests, is a sliding operation with a certain curvature. It does not need to reach a state of 0 degrees like a folding screen, and naturally there will be no folding. Whether it is folding or sliding, it is a mobile phone screen technology that the market has innovated in order to achieve differentiation and meet the needs of consumers. The accelerated advancement of innovative applications of flexible OLED displays is fundamentally an adaptation to the accelerated arrival of the era of digital existence. With the advent of the era of 5G, AI, and the Internet of Things, it is also expected to bring more scene applications and the form of mobile.